What's up, guys? Just got to the junkyard. Drill. Take out these interior panels, take out the screws. Let's do it. Need the T45 for the seatbelt. Wait, before you break anything. Just one more screw. Release the door flap. Gotta do it on both sides. You gotta make sure you off those 5 or 6, however many screws are on the bottom plate, pull off the bottom plate, open up the door, take off this panel because there's like one screw, and you got your setup for being ready to pull out the window. They make a little hook for the little clips, but I'm just gonna use this little tack lifter. Just pull them out. And those just hold the window in place while it's setting. There's 2 of them. They flew somewhere, and yeah, I'll probably find them for my uncle who this is for. All right, so what most people do is they come in here and they'll, you know, try to hack that up. I'm gonna try to go at a different angle from this little crack in the door. Got it started already, and then you just kind of get your spatula, you place it in the crack. You make sure that it has one of these little metal handles, and you whack it with the hammer until it goes in. See it going in? It cuts through the rubber. It's a lot sturdier than a knife and a blade. And one of these things are really sharp too. Seriously, I'm not sure if you ever try to do Bondo with them sometimes, if you're cleaning them off and you're not careful, totally cut yourself. Anyway, I'm going to travel up the top. I don't have my tripod with me, so this is going to be a little difficult, but anyway, I'm just going to kind of angle this side, whack it with the hammer, get it out. Alright guys, so I got it pretty well cut on this line right here. It's not going through for some reason, but it's pretty good. I'm just kind of coming through here now. I kind of went through the top. I saw my spatula through the top. I saw my spatula through the bottom. And now I'm going to start working this little fine line right there. It's going pretty good. Got a nice gap here now. No cracks, nothing. Just give it a go. guys, so I literally just went around with the hammer, pry, spatula, and I've come this far. Now I'm just trying to get this girl to come out, and she doesn't want to, so I'm gonna have to fight her tooth and nail. So anyway, all right guys, she's pretty much almost out. I keep coming up with this hammer hitting this guy right here. Should fall out. Well, she's done. All I gotta do is pull on that real hard, and she's good to go, guys. Pretty dirty, but